Hi guys, welcome back. Today, I am going to render this really nice Delpozo ensemble for you. This is going to be a tricky rendering because I will be using pencils for the skin and try to mix different colors of markers to achieve the shade of pink I want for the coat. Plus, while doing that, I will also share 5 things I always do to make my illustrations come alive. I know that there are many different things that you need to do to make your illustrations stand out, but here are my top 5 practices. So, enjoy! Number 1. Proportions. One of the most important things I always tell myself is to make the proportions good. Proportion of the entire form is very important. In fashion illustration, there is 9 heads and there is also 10 heads proportions. I usually use the 10 heads proportions because I want to exaggerate the length of the legs of my forms a little bit. These are the ideal proportions of the human body, and it allows illustrators show fashion details clearly. I promise I will upload a video about 10 heads proportions soon. Now, proportion doesn't stop at the form alone. Of course, the garments you draw should follow the right proportions too. If your sleeves are looking too tight and the length of your pants are too long, it might not work. Lastly, in my illustrations, I also make sure that the face has the ideal proportions as well. So there, proportions. Number 2. Color value. Another thing to make your illustrations come alive is to check the value of your colors. A 3-dimensional object will have shadows and highlights, and these things affect the value of your colors. When coloring the skin, pay attention to the shades and highlights too. And oh, don't forget, light will also hit your clothes, so basically, you apply shades and highlights on the clothes that you are drawing to. Number 3. Garment behavior and movement. If your form is moving, your garment will move too. If you illustrate your garments as if it is flat, the naked eye loses interest. You have to make the eye travel, and making your garments move based on the behavior of the garments or the textile in real life will make your illustrations more sophisticated looking. 4, try to understand your body's range of motion. Now, you want to experiment different poses, right? Understanding the human body's range of motion can be very helpful for you. It will help you understand how to bend your form, which will allow you to draw convincing poses. Understanding the human anatomy will help you improve your fashion illustrations too. It will help you understand movement easily and be able to apply these movements to the garments you draw as well. If you might think that human anatomy is too far of a subject from fashion illustration, think again. The human body is the form where you put clothes on, and understanding that will make you better understand garments and fashion illustration. And now we're down to the last one, number 5. And as cliche as it may sound, number 5 is practice. Put together all of the new skills you learned here today and put it into practice. Nobody improves overnight. Be patient, and with deliberate practice, you will be amazed by how much progress you are making. That's all for now, everyone. See you again next time. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, and also, if you haven't already, please click the subscribe button for you to be up to date with my new videos. Thank you. Till next time. Bye.